How to design a custom Shopify store, high converting. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with building your own highly converting Shopify store. Shopify stores can be a great way for you to start your business, but if you are not able to optimize your store to consumer preferences and build something that looks unique and highly specialized and highly branded with your own brand appeal, then it becomes really difficult because the online e-commerce market has become so saturated. So let's get started with adding a bit more flair to our Shopify store. Now, to do this, we are going to be using an application called GemPages. GemPages has so many different amazing templates that can help you in elevating your store's appearance. To do this, we're going to head on over to our Shopify store dashboard. Then we are going to click on apps on the left and click on apps and sales channels, and then click on the Shopify App Store on the top right. Once you open up your Shopify App Store, you're going to go into the search bar and you are going to search for GemPages over here. Once you go into GemPages, you are going to go into GemPages Landing Builder on the left, and you're going to select that. Once you have selected this, you're going to click on Install. And once you have clicked on Install, you're going to see the app installation confirmation. So just click on Install once more, and then the GemPages application will be installed onto your Shopify store. Send this to your navigation on the left, and just like that, we have our application installed. Now that this has been installed, we can get started with building our GemPages pages. Usually I like to build my homepage with GemPages because it just is one of the most frequently visited pages of all of your store pages. So we're going to get started with our global settings, and we're going to click on preview changes here. This will open up the GemPages builder, and this will load up the core editor, which will allow us to set up some basic themes. You will see on the left, this includes colors, backgrounds, accent, and font managers, and you can just click on save and just close this up. Now, after that, you can review the appearance of GemPages sections within your original Shopify store's pages. Now that this has been completed, we have to republish some of our old product templates. So we can click on View Live, and we will see the difference between, the actual templates versus the GemPages templates. But on GemPages, we're going to head on over to our dashboard, and we will see we have our homepage on the top. We're going to click on this over here, and this will open up the GemPages editor for our Shopify homepage template. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to get started from scratch by building a new page. So I'm going to click on create new page over here. And once we do that, we will be led to the GemPages template library. In the template library, we have several different types of use cases, and we're going to select homepage from here. And you guys can see there are so many beautiful templates that we can use. So we're going to scroll ahead and take a look at the template that we think would suit our website the best. I really like the first template. So we're going to go back, and I'm going to be using this one. Simply click on select. Once you click on select, this will open up the GemPages builder. And once the builder has been added, you are going to get started with customization. So one thing to note is that with GemPages, if you take a look on your pages section, you only have the ability to create one free page. So if you are looking to create multiple pages, then you do have to upgrade to a premium version of GemPages, because on the free version, you can only publish one page that has GemPages templates, or that is using GemPages as the primary page builder. We're going to delete our old sample page that we created. And now we're going to click on create new page, go to home page. We're going to use this template, select this template on over here, and we're going to get started with building. Now on the top, you will see that this has a header. I'm going to click on the top left. I'm going to use the Shopify theme header and use the Shopify footer. So I think I'm going to leave it like so. This is space for the header. Now, after that, we have product checks. This particular line does not resonate, so I'm going to delete this. And then I'm going to reset the caption. So wake up makeup like this. And then I'm going to change this to tint your, or let's say color me red. Autumn season is here like this. And then after that, I'm going to click on the right image and I have this image that has been inserted. I can click on delete over here, or from the left, I can click on upload image to upload my own image that I want to use. So I am going to be uploading one of my own images for the brand that we are creating. I'm going to be using this image over here like so, and our image is now being uploaded. Now we have this little buy, pick your fave section. And I think I want to remove the row above, so I'm going to remove that. We're going to wait for the image to be uploaded. It's taking longer. Yeah, our image has been added, and over here I want to add my own button. So I can click on elements on the left, and we're going to go into button, and we're going to add a button over here. Once we do that, the button is going to be leading to, let's say, the all products page. And then after that, I want to include no icons. We're going to have a simple button. The background is black, the text is white. I'm going to change the style to heading 1. Not heading 1 is a bit too large. I think I'm going to go with heading 2. I'm going to change the size and then choose a different font because I don't like the basic font. Once I've done that, I can click on the alignment and I'll make the center aligned. And then I'm going to change this to buy now or shop now like this. And just like that, our really nice button has been added. Now I can scroll down and we have different categories. Now this is going to be imported from your Shopify store's actual categories. If you haven't built these category selections, you can remove these types of sections if you're, directly looking to display product. Now you guys can see this is displaying the same sample 3D product that we created. So we're going to delete those and I'm going to keep the bestsellers list over here. Below that, we have clearance sales up to 55%, grab one while stock lasts, and the button to this is going to lead to a specific product. Let's say it's going to lead to this eyeshadow because maybe this eyeshadow is on sale. Now I'm going to click on this banner in this section. I can go on to the left, click on the background image, and I'll just delete that. Click on upload image, and I will upload one of our own images for this. So we're going to click on browse gallery. I think I'm just going to upload another image for this as well. And once we have added our own image, you will see it will be resized a bit to fit accordingly. Now, once we have done this, we can go into our advanced settings and choose the positioning as well. So we can move towards how we want to, structure the section, the border, opacity, as well as the position, if I want this to be static, relative, or other types of positioning for sections. Then we have multiple other sections within this particular template. So I'm going to, delete the ones that I don't want. And after that, we will have a footer over here. And once completed, I can just click on save and then click on publish. And then I'm going to check the option to replace my current homepage and then just click on published. And just like that, we have a highly converting Shopify storefront or Shopify homepage that has multiple call to actions. And if I open up my Shopify store, this is going to be my new homepage. It looks really nice. It looks cohesive, yet it has a slightly different appearance. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.